Right, this video is about how to use the timer sort add-on in Google Sheets. You can start from any open Google Sheets window and go over to the right-hand side where there's a side panel, and you left-click where it says Get Add-ons. That'll bring up a window that shows you the Google Workspace Marketplace, and from there you can just search for timer sort. And you bring that up and choose this option from Sheets Help. We'll click Install. Choose the right Google account that you want to use it with. And yeah, that's the right one. So we'll click Continue. And it needs to ask just for a few permissions. It needs to look at the spreadsheet that you want to sort. It needs to be able to see the data to sort it. And the sort triggered by the timer will run continuously. So it needs your permission to be able to do that. So let's click Allow. So I've installed it. We will close this window. And now you'll see the icon in the side panel. So we've installed it in Sheets. Now let's left click it to start it. And this is the one and only user interface that you have. It's nice and simple. And there's a few steps to get started here. So for the sort range, just type in the range where your data is. And mine is in columns A, B, and C. If you had a traditional range, you might say A1 through C100. I've done the little shortcut of dropping the row numbers, so it just does the entire columns. You can do that too if you want to capture everything in a column, even if it's added at the bottom. And if you think it's easier to select a range rather than typing it in, let's just say we wanted only A11 through C11. Select that range and click this. We'll watch the sort range update. And there it is, A1 to C11. For our purposes, we'll put it back to the columns A through C. Click this if you have headers. So mine is clicked right now when you come over here and look. I don't want first, last, and country to be sorted. Think of these as labels that describe the data below. They need to stay at the top. And then you specify what column you want it to sort by. So let's just say we want to do this by last name. Well, that's already done by last name. That's not fun. Let's do it by country. So we will change the sort column to C. Let's say we want to do it every hour, but you could decrease it and just do it daily. But when you set it to every hour, that timer is appended to the file. So if any other users are in here, this sort will still be effective. So every user that you share this with will share the benefit of having this hourly sort. If we click Save and Sort, look at the data now and then look at it in a second. Right now, these countries are out of order. If I do Save and Sort, they're put in order. So that looks good. Let's say that's what we wanted. This will summarize what you did here. And this helps you to know if you've already set a timer or not. The Save and Sort, it looks like it set it. Let's just make sure it looks click or start timer. In every hour, even if you added a lot of lines at the bottom, this sort will rerun. If you don't want it to run anymore, just use stop timer. That'll update the status here to tell you a timer is not running. And if you do want to specify more than one column, so if you wanted to sort, let's say by country first, then by last name, or if you have multiple sheets to sort, I'll put a link on the screen right now to another add-on that we have called Stay Sorted, which is the full featured commercial version of Timer Sort. And you can check out how that one works. I'm Adam Steinfurth with SheetsHelp.com. Thanks for watching.